We feeling good, eh? Let's pray. Greetings to the Most High, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, Conqueror of the tribe of Judah, the one who came so unconquered, the one who sits on the throne of Jah Kingdom, Jah Rastafari. People of Kitui, thank you so much. Ile reception tulipata on Saturday kama zishi ya mamu wa Diana. Oh my. You people, you're great. I loved it. I tell ya. People of Kitui, Mbusiani, thank you so much, because niliona mnatupenda tu sana kama familia ya Athiani FM. May God bless you all, because I had fun with you people. I salute you. Thank you. Alright? Anything you want to tell, unaweza pitia kwa Athiani FM, my friend waseito vinawito, tell me anything. But before I forget, let me talk to our kids, especially students. This has become serious. 3 schools today zimechomwa. Professor Magoha amesema msituambie ati ni juu ya stress ama juu ya depression, nothing like that. Actually, students, our kids, let me address you as a parent. As a parent of a Form 1. Actually, you're giving us hard times. Mnatupea stress. Because at the end of the day, mkichoma shule, itakuwa ni shida ya mzazi. Si shida yako mtoto. Let's have it nice. Itakuwa ni shida yetu. Because at the end of the day, it's us to pay. Akina mnaona vile tuko na stress. Kwanza stress ya kuwalipia school fees. Please. What is happening, really? Kids. Mwala wamechoma. Maranda wamechoma. Kakamega wamechoma. Oh no. No, it's enough. Parents, let me talk to you now. Wakiachiliwa on Friday 19th, let's talk to them. Na waonyeshe uzuri wa education. Because mwishowe ni wao tu watafaidika. It's not as parents. Si tuko na masomo yetu. We have our education. We have our money. So talk to your kid akikuja. Na nimeona shule zile zinachoma sana ni za maboys. Boys, what are you taking? Is it drugs? Okay, za girls si sana. Please. Students, mlipelekwa shule kwa masomo. Nothing more, nothing much. Greetings. Athiani FM. Wase wito bina wito.